rotor of a marine generator. And in the rotor we have 4 poles. Positive, negative, positive, negative. And we have the coil. Check out this. The coil, the hot, the beginning, is the same that the neutral, the end, because it's the same cable, the same wire, start here and finish here. Look, the wire start here, continue here, continue here, continue here, and finish that one. Normally, we change the color at the end to indicate that it's the neutral. But it's the same wire, hot and neutral. For that reason, both of them are current carrying conductors. Good. In this particular case, how much is the voltage? If this rotor is spinning at 1800 RPMs, how much is the reading in volts in between this and this?
120.
120. Excuse me. If this rotor is spinning at 1500 RPMs, how much is the reading between this and this?
110.
110. Okay? A little?
Shorter.
Lower. Why?
Less.
Because you see people. Alright? That's the difference. Okay, great. And that generator is single phase, double phase, or 3 phase?
Single.
That generator is
Single.
single. Only produce one phase. The neutral is the neutral. I have only one hot line or one phase. One hot line or one phase. This is the picture. That picture, that single phase. But now I am going to introduce 3 phases in page 127. Let me explain something. Pay attention. What happened, of course, each phase, the copper wire is covered with a special epoxy resin. What happened if I put other coil pretty close to the previous one, but the wires, they don't touch because the acrylic, the epoxy resin isolates the cable. This is the problem when the generator is in short, because the varnish, the resin disappear and the cables touch and produce a short. You know that? Okay, pay attention. What happens if I introduce other coil a little separated from the previous one? Like this. Follow me. Follow me, guys. This is another phase. Look. Look at this. This is the center, and this one is the center for the red one. Is separated that angle. The second coil is separated a little. How many phases I have in this moment? Two phases. Each phase is separated some degrees. Normally is around 5 degrees, 6 degrees. What is the name of that angle?
Phase angle.
Phase angle. Let me explain something. Only for information. When you have a motor, 3 phases or 2 phases, and the angle of separation is too small, 3 degrees, 4 degrees, that motor is for high speed. When I have, listen to me, when I have a motor, 2 phase or 3 phase, and the phase angle is big separation, is for low speed, high torque. Later we are going to talk about that. No, I need an electric motor for ultra high speed, 3 phases. Oh, those phases are separated practically nothing. No, I need a motor for elevator. You need high torque. The phase angle is 7 degrees, 8 degrees. It's a big separation. Later we are going to talk about that. Okay, in this particular case, I have two faces. Oh, Mr. Lopez, I want to introduce other face. That face. And that face is coming here. And finish in the neutral. And all the neutrals can be connected together in only one neutral. They converge in one neutral. And once again, I have another
Angle.
phase angle. Should be the same. I have a motor, three-phase motor. Only thing about that, pay attention. You know in an engine what is the crankshaft? The crankshaft is the element in the bottom that is connected with the flywheel and connected with the shaft and the propeller. Yes or no? Nada. Suppose that you have a motor with only one piston. And you replace the piston with your hand. And you need to move the motor, that motor, single piston with your hand. And the people say, okay, Lopez, 1, 2, 3, and you need to move with your hand that motor with only one piston, and you are the piston. What happened after 10 minutes?
Exhausted.
You say, oh, wait, I'm going to replace this crankshaft for other one with 2 crank pins for 2 pistons. And I am going to move the crankshaft with other guy. You here and me here. And right now, 1, 2, 3, and 2 people. Okay, oh, okay, now it's better, no? I apply the less efforts, half and half. What happened if I replace the crankshaft for 3 pistons? What happened with the three guys? Okay, oh, it's better. What happened with 6 pistons? Oh, it's nice, it's soft, no? Oh, for that reason, the V8 engine is soft. And the 4-cylinder, no? You understand? Okay, Fabi. I have a motor with only 1 piston. It's a lot of energy. Oh no, with 3 pistons. Oh wow, it's soft. The sound is low. It's smooth. It's balanced. It's nice. That's 3-phase and single-phase, guys. That's the difference. That's the difference. Okay. The majority of the boats, they are the wiring of the AC panel is double phase. And the generators are configured to produce 2 phases. That's correct? Mm-hmm. Okay, with 2 phases is good because you can create a panel. You can create a panel, an AC panel with 2 groups of breakers, and you balance the charge in both groups, and you keep the balance. Okay, we are going to check the color codes for single phase, for double phase, and 3-phase, American and European. And we are going to talk about that. Is clear the explanation about the phase angle and about how are created the phases? They are different. They are different phases created in a different angle. Okay, guys. If I have American and I have European and I have single phase and I have double phase and I have 3-phase, 3-4-phase. Okay, in American, what are the colors for single phase? Black?
Black and white.
Black for hot line. No? We have a white for neutral. And we have green for grounding. That's good?
Yeah.
What is the color code for European single phase? European single phase, guys.
Brown, blue, and green with yellow stripes.
Brown, Brown for
Brown for hotline.
hotline. Blue
Blue for neutral.
for neutral. And green with yellow strip for
Ground.
grounding. Green with yellow for ground. That's correct? Okay. I am going to introduce double phase in both of them. Okay, guys, follow me. In Europe, in American Power, black for hotline number 1. Red for hotline number 2. White for neutral. And green for ground. That's okay? Okay, in European Power, you have brown for phase 1. You have a gray for phase 2. You have blue for neutral, and you have green for ground. That's okay? Let me ask to you something. If I have the multimeter and I am checking voltage AC, I am reading between black and white. How much is the reading? 120 in single phase. I want to read in between black and white. In between red and white. In between black and red. Excuse me?
240.
240. Everybody follow me? Pay attention. Once again. In between black and white.
120.
In between red and white.
120.
In between black and ground.
120.
119.7. It's a little lower. In between red and green.
119.7.
119 points. Yeah? It's a little lower than the reading in between hot and neutral. A little lower. It's practically the same. But it's not the same. Okay, excuse me. In between black and red.
240.
239, 240. That's correct?
Yep.
Excuse me, pay attention. Pay attention to this explanation. The reading in between hotline 1 and hotline 2 is 240 because each hotline is produced in a different angle, in a different phase.
Yep.
There are different phases. You remember that when you read voltage, you read the differential in potential in between both of them? Don't forget that. Okay, because those phases are different. Listen to me, this stupid decision about the people. Some people say, oh, my wife gave to me a new compressor for my garage for Christmas. I have a new compressor. But in my home, it's a condo, it's an apartment, I only have single phase. But I am too smart. I am going to open the phase and split the phase in 2 cables, and now I have double phase. That's true?
No.
Excuse me. I have one cable, 120, 60 amps. 60 amps. No hertz. Amps. And I split the cables in 2 small cables. How much I have in this? 120?
60.
30 amps. And in the other one? 120, 30 amps. I split the amps, not the voltage. The voltage, if I read with my voltmeter in between this end and the other end that I split, how much is the reading?
120.
The reading in between this and this?
60.
0. Because it's the same phase. It's because it's the same phase. Ah, what is the symptom when you connect those Mickey Mouse split lines in the compressor two phase? The compressor is humming, but no start. The motor tried to start, but no, because the phase is the same. Because that phase was created in the same winding,
No.
the same phase. No, that compressor, that motor is designed for two phases. I need two different phases in different angles. Everybody follow me?
Yeah.
All right? Okay. When you split the cable, you divided what?
The phase.
The amps,
Yeah.
not the voltage. The amps. The voltage is the same, 120 and 120, but the same phase. If you try to read between this and this, it's no difference. It's zero, because it's the same phase. Nice, no?
Yeah.
That's good?